everyone. Today I will be presenting my thesis titled How User-Generated Content Amplifies FOMO and Drives Impulse Buying Through Influencer Bibliometric Analysis. The rise of social media has profoundly transformed how consumers interact with brands, products, and digital content. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram have become more than entertainment hubs. UGC and influencer marketing play a central role in shaping consumer perceptions, encouraging authenticity and driving urgency. Influencers foster emotional bonds and community, making their followers more receptive to promotional messages and product suggestion. Underlying these behaviors is the psychological concept of fear of missing out, characterized by anxiety over missed experiences, often amplified through curated content, and UGC and influencer credibility becomes a powerful formula for impulse buying. Despite growing attention, few studies have mapped the intersection between UGC, FOMO, and impulse buying using a comprehensive data-driven academic approach. Many existing work focus on these concepts separately or within limited cultural and methodological scopes. We collected data from Scopus using keyword queries related to UGC content, social media, impulse buying, and FOMO, filtered by subject areas of business management, accounting, social science, and psychology. This search result in 1,878 documents published between 2020 until 2025 using FOSS-Viewer and Bibliometric. We perform bibliometric mapping and include citation and keyword analysis, as well as co-authorship and co-citation network analysis. This bibliometric analysis revealed steady increase in publication from 2020 until 2025 on UGC, influencer, and impulse buying, confirming the topic growing relevance. Dominant keywords include social media, impulse buying, UGC, influencers, and FOMO, reflecting a focus on social content and emotional consumption behavior. Popular research team highlight the influence of social media and influencers on impulse buying, the role of emotional and psychological content, and FOMO as a behavioral trigger. Post-viewer visualization identify three research clusters. 1. Influencer trust and purchase behavior. 2. FOMO, emotion and social pressure. And 3. Digital marketing and brand engagement. Strong keyword co-occurrence confirm the link between UGC and impulse buying. Key authors and journals from psychology, marketing, and communication constantly contribute impactful work. The research in interdisciplinary interrogating consumer psychology, digital marketing, and media studies. Notable gap exists in the exploration of FOMO compared to broader topics like social media and influencer, suggesting the need for deeper investigation. Most studies originate from China and the US, indicating regional dominance and limited global diversity. Practically, these findings guide marketers and policy markers and creating more ethical, effective digital strategy and addressing the psychological effect of social media algorithm. The studies show increasing interest in influencer marketing, influencer, impulse buying, UGC, and FOMO on social media. The research highlights consistent growth in publication and frequent use of keywords like social media, influencer, UGC, and FOMO. These findings reflect a shift in consumer behavior where emotional content, especially from influencer and user, drives buying. A scholar should explore drive cultures, use empirical methods, and examine ethical concerns, especially related to algorithmic exposure among vulnerable users. Thank you.